Hi Adam, this is Werner, and I'm doing my presentation on Plot, a website that allows students to find classes, businesses, student services, and other organizations on campus, while also making book purchasing easy. So I'm going to take you through the website real quick. Okay, let's go to our homepage. Alright, so here's our homepage. Pretty much just gives you a brief description of what Plot does. You enter your schedule onto Plot, and what happens is it tracks that information, puts it in, we store that information, and then we take that information, what classes you're taking, and what books might be purchased and used for those classes. So I'll get more into detail about that later. Well, I'm already logged in here, but I have a plugin called BuddyPress, which pretty much makes it a more social media-like website. So now you have up here in the corner here, you have profile, you have members, so you can create a profile, you can message other members, so it makes it more interactive and fun for students, I would think. Here, let's go down here. So the main purpose was the maps, and to kind of add that feel of it being a mapping software, I just put in the University of Nevada, UNLV, and Sacramento State, and I just added the maps to a link to some maps. And what's going to be different about my website than this map is mine's going to actually navigate you to the building that you're supposed to go, or that your classes are in, so, and what floor it's on, and just try to make it simpler. So what goes on, when usually people would use this app at the beginning of the semester, so I kind of thought to myself, what's going on at the beginning of the semester? Well, students are buying books, so it's important to kind of grasp that. So the marketplace is trying to buy books, so let's make it easy for them. So not only are we going to help them find their classes, we're also going to help them purchase books. So up here I have the store. So here's our bookstore, and the idea of this is it's going to list each class. So these are some of the classes I've taken or am taking. And it's going to also list what vendors they're from, so, and who's the closest. So for example, we have textbook brokers, so it's going to list them on here. It's also going to list the campus bookstore, Amazon.com, and so it's going to show you what options you have, web or brick and mortar, and it's going to show you the prices they offer, and so you get to make the most educated purchase possible, which is what the internet's all about. So that is that, and that's the book buying service. Anyways, on here, over here on the right, so this is where you can see your profile. You can see what members are online. You can contact us, so for any information, if you have a complaint or whatever, you can get a hold of us. And then you can share. So if you find a good price on a book, you can share that. You can like our Facebook pages. Maybe I should click on that, show you. So it just goes over to Facebook. I mean, pretty simple stuff there. Let's get back to that. Okay. Now let's go to our blog. So also with the social media, you can blog, share our blog, which just gives you guys up-to-date information. I just did 2 blogs here, like you asked. And just wrote about how Plot's disruptive, and how Plot is a good program for students. Anyways, let's go to About Me. I also did a little About Me section, just my goals and aspirations, my education and my career, my hobbies and activities. And this is BuddyPress, so I'm sure you're familiar with it. I'm sure a ton of people did BuddyPress, but it's just a social network. So students can talk to each other, message each other, create a profile picture. It gets them more involved in the website, and that's pretty crucial for today's marketplace. People want to be involved, and if you get students to come on and check their messages, the more chances you have them buying books or using your services. So keeping customers happy. So that's basically my website. Let me make sure I went through all the plugins. So BuddyPress, you can register here. You click to register. The maps with the links, the contact us, the social media, and the recent posts, so you can share those. And I know there's one more. Oh, and then the bookstore. So I hope you like my website, and I hope you understand its purpose as a disruptive technology. Thank you for your class, Adam. I appreciated it, and I thought you were a great teacher. Have a good Christmas break and New Year's.